In this tutorial, I will teach you how to get a custom fake Grand Theft Auto VI streaming play card in Discord. So when they want to watch you streaming Grand Theft Auto, you click it. This is actually a lot easier than it looks, so let's get into it. First, you're gonna want to download Vencord. So just click download Vencord and then download it for the platform you have. Once installed, you're gonna go down to Vencord and then click plugins, and you're gonna want to search up Custom RPC. Now once you have that, make sure it's enabled, and you might have to restart Discord in order for it to update, but once you have, just click settings. Now down at the app ID, just click 1. I don't know why it works, it just works. Now for the app name, type in Grand Theft Auto 6, and then for details, type in the same thing, Grand Theft Auto 6. Now for line 2, you're gonna wanna put in playing single player. And for your activity type, just put it as streaming. And then for your stream link, this is super easy. All you have to do is copy a link to any Rickroll video or any troll video you want to put, and just copy it into the stream link. So when they click the watch link, it takes them to this. Now for timestamp mode, this is the time you've been playing the game. So just click since Discord open because it's the easiest. And ignore everything except for image big. Now for this one, you're gonna wanna go to Imgur.com. So you wanna make an account, and then after that, you wanna post an image of the GTA 6 logo like I did. You can do that by heading up to new post, and then you can add your post. So for me, I'm just adding this GTA 6 logo. So type in your title, and then for the link, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna right click it and click copy image link. Now back in Discord, you're gonna wanna paste that image link. And when you're done, just click save and close, escape. And then when people go over to click on your profile, they'll see you are playing Grand Theft Auto 6. And they'll be able to watch, so they're gonna be like, oh, let's watch this. And then it's just gonna take them to a troll video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my main channel and have a great day.